about the enlightened qualities of the warrior in terms of the tiger, the lion, the Garuda, and the dragon. Why do we associate enlightened qualities of the person to these mythical creatures?
Enlightened qualities or unenlightened qualities both don't have tangibility and color and fixed form and any type of grasping kind of form that we can grasp onto. So it sometimes is a concept that's very difficult. Therefore, if you talk about courage and you would say that's a lion, people look at a lion, they look at them as king of the jungle, they walk very proud, they say, oh, I see. So it's something associated with that. So the animals just symbolize a concept that is non-tangible to the mind to make it easier. For a person who's able to perceive what courage actually means or bravery actually means, they don't need the animal thing. Example. In the center of in the realm of existence, in the wheel of samsara, pig, snake, and rooster represent what? Why do we need animals for that? How do you draw or depict or tell people ignorance, hatred, and desire, especially to farmers, especially people who are not literate? How? So it's just a very easy method. It's like hieroglyphics. That's it. Just very simple. It's nothing deeper than that. Why do we use animals to represent it? Hieroglyphics. Okay? So for a lot of people in the past who weren't educated, I mean, how do you draw that out? How do you remind them? Don't be like a pig, don't be like a snake, don't be like a rooster. Well, roosters are quite cocky. They walk around very proud. They think they own the world. They have a lot of hens, arrogance. Okay? Then you have snakes. They wait in line. They wait to bite you. They're very vengeful. They're very angersome. Each time you approach a snake, it's not like a dog. Sometimes they're in a good mood, sometimes they're in a bad mood. When you approach a snake, they want to get you. So anger. So people are like, oh yeah, a snake like that, anger. Okay, I understand. So it's just symbolism, hieroglyphics, nothing deeper. Okay, and that's why the animals are even mythical. They don't get, because people give you a mythical animal and they ascribe certain qualities to them to help you remember what we are supposed to try to enact.